I grew up in the electronic trading world, US equities, public markets. I didn't realize it at the time, but I was incredibly lucky to land the job that I did, to work with the people that I did, and to work with the most efficient market that humans have ever created. I strongly believe the US equities, public markets, are the most efficient market on the planet and ever created. So when people go to look at building new companies and when you look at fintech, a lot of things have evolved from what happened offline and now using technology to take that online. For example, the data room used to be a room and filled with data and files, and people went in and they were able to peruse the different files and it was organized, and then it went and brought that online. Then you look at, okay, it's the X of this region, so it's the Robin Hood of India. And I'd like to add one more framework there, and it's looking at the evolution of US equities markets. So I think there's a lot that can be gleaned from the evolution, the different market participants, the market structure, the legal and regulatory structure. So if you're looking at a certain industry, and right now I think the crypto industry could look and learn from the evolution of the US equities markets. Yes, the US equities markets have inefficiencies. Yes, there are problems. Yes, it will continue to evolve, but it's working pretty darn well. And as a market evolves, as the number of participants grows, as the legal and regulatory structure is refined, as the number of assets or the assets under management grows, it will look more and more like the US equities public markets. So whether it's the cryptocurrency market, whether it's sports betting, whether it's other markets where you're connecting buyers and sellers, you're connecting different parties, I think the US equities public markets provides an interesting blueprint to look at how markets will evolve and how you can build businesses.